Tonight. Ang hirap naman tanggalin ba? Wow, ang sabi, the world's #1 portable fan. Let's see if it is. Tada, yeah. Oh, accessories.
Oh, what's this?
Charger.
What's this? Is
booklet. Ano to?
That's a hang.
Hang. Okay. So let's put them there.
Hey, what's this?
Stand niya.
What's this?
That's a holder, I think.
Oh.
Lonely is the night. Parang pang menstrual ano to ah. Oh. Okay. Oh. Jisoo fan.
Is that the folding one?
Yeah. It's the Ultra.
Wait, you got the other one?
Yeah.
It's cold.
Not the gray. So ito, may pouch. May pouch.
Wow.
Okay, let's test it. I think it's already pre-charged. And you can also use this.
To blow your hair?
Like that. Tapos, yung stand niya. Yan. Tapos, ito rin yung ooh. Okay. Let's try now.
Can you try first
Mahirap
with
naman
the...
tanggalin.
Can you try with this first?
Hindi, ito muna. First.
Wow! Ooh, that's cold.
Wow.
That's like a 1,000 now.
Sige nga, tignan natin. Ganyan siya kalakas, be. Ganyan siya kalakas, mga be.
Try natin with this.
Ooh.
Try natin with this.
Ay, ba may palight siya, oh.
Wait lang.
Kulit mo, ah. Okay. Next. Wow. Ang lakas niya, be. Okay, it's worth it. It's worth the money. Thank you. Nilagyan mo ng oat milk. Thank you. Yay!
I mean, this can be a blow dryer, right?
Yeah, hair dryer.
Yeah, that's cool.
Yeah. Okay, so wait, if you rate it, what's the rate of it out of 10?
I love it so much.
So,
I want to do it
give
12
it.
out of 12.
No, you can't. 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10.
Okay. Very good.